Good day, can you please tell me about yourself?
Good morning, sir. I am Andrea Sicapuri, 36 years old, single. I live in Barangay Taslan, Sunokini, Iloilo. I have two sisters and no brothers. I am the second child of the family. I graduated associate in HR in hotel and restaurant management.
Okay, thank you. And do you have work experience abroad before?
Yes, sir. I worked in Singapore for 4 years. My first employer is a couple with 3-year-old child. My duties are washing and ironing clothes, cooking, marketing, and my second employer is a family of 6. They have children 18, 21, 23, and 24, and an elderly grandparents.
Okay. And what is your duties in your employer abroad?
My duties are cooking, marketing, cleaning, washing, and ironing clothes.
Okay, thank you. And is it all finished contract?
Yes, sir. I finished all my contracts.
And how would you describe your employers?
My employers are good to me, sir.
And is there another helper in your previous employer?
No, sir.
And how would you describe yourself as a worker?
I describe myself as hardworking and can work under pressure, sir.
Okay. And are you a happy person too?
I am a happy person also, sir.
And do you have any tattoo?
I don't have tattoo, sir.
Did you undergo any kind of surgery?
Yes, sir. In fibroadenoma on my chest part 9 years ago, but I can guarantee you, sir, that I can do my work well.
Okay. And are you under special medication right now?
No, sir.
And are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to take care of the baby?
Yes, sir.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you please sing it?
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Okay, thank you. And why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad, sir, to save money to build our own house.
And do you have a food allergy?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with the kids, elder or other helper?
Yes, sir.
Are you okay if your day off is not on Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, sir.
And would you accept no day off but employer will pay you?
Yes, sir.
Would you like to work with your employer who has many children?
Yes, sir.
If you are homesick, would you break your contract and insist to return home?
No, sir. I will focus on my work, sir.
Okay. And are you willing to take care of an elderly?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Do you have a full consent to your family to work abroad?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you please send a short message to your future employer?
Hi, Mom, sir. If you choose me as your domestic helper, I will try my best to finish my contract and extend if needed. Thank you and God bless.
Okay, that's all for today and thank you for coming.
Thank you, sir.